The Strait of Hormuz is blocked, and this could trigger a global recession by the end of 2026. Find out why this maritime choke point matters to your wallet right now. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the world's most important maritime choke points. It channels a significant portion of global energy shipments. Since February 28, 2026, Iran has largely blocked shipping traffic through the strait following military actions by the United States and Israel. This disruption threatens to cut off vital oil and gas supplies, sending shockwaves through global markets and economies. UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres has issued a dire warning. If freedom of navigation through the Strait of Hormuz is not restored by the end of 2026, the world risks sliding into a global recession. Inflation could skyrocket past 6%, and global economic growth could plummet to just 2%. This economic slowdown would hit the world's most vulnerable populations hardest, causing widespread suffering. The economic toll of the Hormuz blockade has already pushed more than 40 countries to discuss reopening the strait. Europe, with Germany at the forefront, faces heightened risks of recession due to energy shortages and soaring prices. The disruption threatens to stifle growth, increase inflation, and strain international markets already weakened by recent conflicts. The current disruption began on February 28, 2026, when the United States and Israel launched military operations that led Iran to block shipping traffic through the Strait of Hormuz. This escalation has turned the vital waterway into a flashpoint, complicating diplomatic efforts and undermining global energy security. With the blockade continuing, international leaders are under pressure to find solutions quickly. Restoring freedom of navigation is critical to stabilizing energy supplies and preventing the predicted global recession. The coming months will be decisive for global economic health and geopolitical stability. The Strait of Hormuz's blockade isn't just a distant geopolitical event. It threatens to push the global economy into recession, inflating prices and slowing growth. This means higher costs for energy, goods, and everyday essentials for you. Staying informed and understanding these risks can help you prepare. Subscribe now to keep up with critical updates on this evolving crisis.